Hi, my name is Julie Anderson from DeLaval, and I would love to show you how easy it is to get access to the animal information and to record reproduction events with DelPro Companion app. So let me show you. If you are entering the animal card from a list view, then on the top of the animal card, you can simply swipe to the next animal in that list. If you instead move to the middle section of the animal card, you will swipe to the next tabs inside this animal card. And then based on the system that you have, it will show different information. For example, if it is a VMS or a poly system. Also, we will show different tabs if you have, for example, BCS camera installed or feeding equipment. And the last tabs that you will enter will be where you can record events. If you don't want to scroll through the whole list, you can just use the quick button here, the plus in the bottom, and that will bring you right to that page. And then based on the reproduction status of the cow, different events will be applicable to record. For example, if you have a pregnant animal, we have already grayed out heat and insemination. So let us look into an insemination event. So you go into the cow card, select the insemination icon. By default, it will be set to the time that you are now out currently in the barn recording this. You simply select the semen from the list, and if you have a specific breeder, and then saving the event, and it will be sent to your computer. We can take another example with a dry-off event. So here we can set up a specific workflow that will allow you to do all actions at one step. So you can do both the dry-off, the group change, and the dry-off treatment. So with DelPro Companion, we have really designed a tool for you as a user in mind. You will have all the important information of your animals available at hand, and it will make it easier for you to record all the important events throughout the day as they happen.